All right, so this is my website. It's called What This Mom Can Cook. And so obviously it's a blog with breakfast recipes, dinner recipes, dessert recipes, and snacks, appetizers, and side dishes. So yeah, here's me making some hamburger patties. But I made my website from scratch through HTML code and CSS code. Um, and so, like, if you click on breakfast, I've got different breakfast recipes here. I really like breakfast a lot. I make breakfast every morning, so I like to make it fancy. And then dinner recipes, just have a few. And then desserts, just a few of those too. And then I don't have any snack and appetizer sides or recipes on here yet. And then just my contact information. But so I tried to make my recipes healthy. So I'm just offering like a healthier kinds of foods just to narrow my audience a little bit. Um, and so what I did with my business is it's just an affiliate. So I'm an affiliate with Amazon. So like right here I have a link and it goes to my Amazon link for almond flour because not a lot of people have almond flour just handy. So I tried to do that for all of the ingredients that aren't typical ingredients that you would have in your house. And then also I have these Amazon ads as well. So I have like the links within the recipes and then the visual ads that also take you to Amazon. And then I get a portion of commission from their purchase price. So yeah, that's that. The tools I use to help my business be successful was obviously Google Ads through keywords and just running our campaign. Um, and then also using Google Analytics. And I was really surprised to see just everything that those websites do and how they can help. And running a Google ad was like really eye opening for me. And then also seeing the Google Analytics and like what demographics go to your website and how long they're there. I thought that was really interesting. But, anyways, yep, that's my site.